Azure Firewall is a cloud-based network security service designed to protect your resources in the Azure cloud environment. It safeguards your Azure virtual network resources by monitoring and controlling network traffic. Think of it as a vigilant security guard for your cloud applications, always on the lookout for potential threats. Azure Firewall meticulously filters network traffic, ensuring that only safe and authorized data packets pass through. It uses a set of rules that you define, allowing you to customize the level of security based on your specific needs. This helps prevent unauthorized access, keeping your sensitive data secure and protected from malicious actors. In today's digital age, security is more important than ever. Cyber threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated, posing significant challenges to cloud security. Therefore, protecting your cloud infrastructure is critical for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Azure Firewall provides a robust and scalable solution to enhance your cloud security posture, adapting to your growing needs. It acts as a barrier between your virtual network and the outside world, preventing unauthorized access. Azure Firewall operates at the network layer, providing comprehensive security for your network traffic. It examines both incoming and outgoing network traffic, ensuring that all data is scrutinized. It then applies rules to allow or block traffic based on your defined criteria, ensuring compliance with your security policies. This granular control ensures that only legitimate traffic can enter or leave your virtual network, maintaining a secure environment for your operations. Azure Firewall offers a wide array of features that cater to various security needs. These features make it a comprehensive solution for your cloud security needs, ensuring robust protection and seamless integration. These features include built-in high availability, unrestricted cloud scalability, and application and network-level filtering, making it a versatile tool for any organization. Let's take a closer look at these key features to understand how they can benefit your infrastructure. First and foremost, Azure Firewall provides built-in high availability, which is crucial for maintaining continuous protection. This means that it is designed to be highly resilient and fault-tolerant, capable of handling unexpected disruptions. Azure Firewall ensures that your network security remains uninterrupted, even in the event of a hardware failure, thereby maintaining the integrity of your security posture. Secondly, Azure Firewall offers unrestricted cloud scalability, allowing it to grow with your business. As your application demands grow, Azure Firewall can scale up automatically, adapting to increased traffic and workload. This ensures optimal performance and prevents bottlenecks, which can be detrimental to your operations. You don't need to worry about manually provisioning or managing additional resources, as Azure Firewall handles this seamlessly. Finally, Azure Firewall provides both application and network-level filtering, offering a comprehensive security approach. This multi-layered approach to security allows you to define granular rules, enhancing your control over network traffic. You can control traffic based on specific applications, IP addresses, ports, and protocols, ensuring that only legitimate traffic is allowed. This flexibility enables you to create a highly secure environment tailored to your specific needs, providing peace of mind and robust protection. In summary, Azure Firewall's key features make it an indispensable tool for any organization looking to secure their cloud infrastructure effectively. With its advanced capabilities, Azure Firewall not only meets but exceeds the security requirements of modern enterprises. Azure Firewall offers numerous benefits for organizations, making it a crucial component in modern network security. These benefits include ease of deployment and centralized management, which streamline the process of securing your network. Let's explore these advantages in more detail to understand why Azure Firewall stands out. One of the key benefits of Azure Firewall is its ease of deployment, which can save valuable time and resources. You can deploy Azure Firewall quickly and easily, without the need for extensive technical expertise. There's no need for complex hardware or software installations, making the setup process straightforward and hassle-free. The Azure portal provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the management of your firewall. This interface makes it straightforward to configure and manage your firewall settings, ensuring that your network remains secure. Another significant benefit is centralized management, which allows for a more cohesive security strategy. Azure Firewall integrates seamlessly with other Azure services, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. This integration allows you to manage your entire security posture from a single pane of glass, providing a comprehensive overview. You can monitor firewall activity, analyze logs, and configure rules from the Azure portal, all in one place. Furthermore, Azure Firewall is a cost-effective security solution, offering robust protection without breaking the bank. You pay only for what you use, thanks to its flexible pay-as-you-go model. There are no upfront costs or long-term commitments, making it a flexible option for any budget. This makes it an attractive option for organizations of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises, ensuring that everyone can benefit from its advanced features. Azure Firewall seamlessly integrates with other Azure services. This enhances its capabilities and simplifies network security management. Let's explore some of the key integrations. Azure Firewall integrates with Azure Virtual Networks. This allows you to filter traffic between different VNets, subnets, and on-premises networks. You can create a secure and isolated environment for your applications and data. Moreover, Azure Firewall integrates with Azure Monitor. This provides comprehensive logging and monitoring capabilities. You can track firewall activity, identify potential threats, and gain insights into network traffic patterns. Additionally, Azure Firewall supports integration with Azure Security Center. This provides a centralized view of your security posture. It helps you identify and remediate vulnerabilities. You can also define security policies and apply them across your Azure environment. Section 5. Real-world applications. Azure Firewall finds applications across various industries. This is because it offers robust network security. Let's look at some compelling real-world use cases. One common use case is protecting web applications. Azure Firewall can act as a web application firewall, or WAF. It can protect your web applications from common threats. These threats include cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and distributed denial-of-service attacks. Another use case is securing hybrid cloud environments. Azure Firewall can securely connect your on-premises networks to Azure. This allows you to extend your security policies to the cloud. You can create a consistent security posture across your hybrid infrastructure. Furthermore, Azure Firewall is often used in branch office connectivity scenarios. It enables secure communication between branch offices and Azure. This eliminates the need for expensive and complex VPN hardware. With Azure Firewall, you get centralized management of your security policies, making it easier to maintain and update your network defenses. To get the most out of Azure Firewall, ensure you regularly update your rules and policies, monitor traffic patterns, and leverage threat intelligence. In conclusion, Azure Firewall offers a robust and scalable solution for securing your cloud infrastructure. By following best practices and leveraging its centralized management, you can enhance your network security.